how to change or edit MX records in GoDaddy. I've just logged into my GoDaddy account here, and what we want to do is click on our name in the top right, then go to my product. Now from this page here, if we scroll down, we should be able to see the domains and find the domain that you want to change the MX record for. Then simply click on DNS next to it. Now this will load up a list with all of our DNS settings, and if you want to change or edit any MX records, we'll find the MX record itself, and then next to the trash can icon you should see the pencil icon, so just click on the pencil icon. And here we can change the name, the priority, the value, as well as the time to live. And basically after we have changed the settings, we'll click on save, and that's how you change MX records in GoDaddy. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.